How do I input? I have a A and B. I have to put through that. How do I do that?
Hey, okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is uh, an impromptu stream on Shabbat morning, or on Friday morning. Uh,
Save the
this is
hand.
also an apology. I want to apologize for
Have you even
the
done this reverse priming for somebody?
problem with the stream the last couple of days.
Reverse.
Unfortunately, I didn't check my settings, and I was boy, the screens are really small. So this here is going to be kind of a recap video before we move forward.
Take out this
Uh,
old thing. So can I take this one
take a
out?
brief look at the
This or
code.
what? I don't understand.
I also mentioned again that if you look in the description below, you will also see a link to both the notebook here on GitHub and to the data on GitHub also for more relevant data.
Maybe I shouldn't put so
Both the
much
notebook and the
space,
Python
right?
code
I
there.
like to have
So
a space.
after you watch this brief apologetic video, go over it, check out the code, and see exactly what I've been doing. The good news is I came up with a better way to reshape the data frame and to make plots using Seaboard, but that's for a different time, okay? That's just a little teaser. Anyway, so here's the code. Nothing really tricky about this, okay? Well, actually, it's pretty tricky for me. I would say at this point, 95% of this code was written by Git by Chat AI over the course of maybe 5 to 10 hours. Well, I apologize for not having my face up there, but that's okay. You probably missed my face. So anyway, let's just take a look so you can understand what we got going on here. We added a couple of libraries here. We added Seaborn, we added Math, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Then with the help of Chat AI, I create a function to get it would go out, it would lower, it would lower, excuse me, it would lower, it would convert everything in the column title to lowercase, and then it removed underscores. It removed underscore CDC underscore wonder, and it removed underscore US. Okay. Then we loaded some data. Then we come down and we ran this code. Okay.
Because I have X here. It's confusing. Okay.
Ran this code, as you'll see, to clean up the table names.
Already someone's already done it.
But again, I would appreciate, as always, if you would.
That's right. But
if you would, click on that white button for me today, and also click on that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I go live. Be notified because of impromptu streams like this, impromptu streams on Sunday. But you'll also be notified Monday through Thursday when I go live. Also, the general streaming schedule is 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's U.S. East Coast time for you outside the U.S. Okay, so we just ran this function. Now we're going to read our data in. Then we're going to run a function to now you can see what happened. If they're all lowercase, there's none of the extra characters.
So I have.
Now we'll go check for any NAs. There's no NAs. Then we're going to do a quick look at. Year probably should be, but here's just your basic statistics, okay? All right.
Is it? In a single line corresponding to the list of.
Then we're going to calculate the percent. Now we're going to calculate some quartiles.
And B. How do I? Oh, then while.
Now we're going to display this quartile. So we got this, and each row represents a drug, the cause of the overdose with the quartiles and the interquartile range. You can see that they're actually pretty narrow. Six difference between 25 and first quartile and third quartile. The range is pretty low. Now we're going to do this tricky thing. We're going to do a percent, the percent of total overdoses by drug.
Misunderstood because I thought I'm trying to.
And also I'll point out that
B and this.
you have one row for each year. So here you can see the percentages over here. If we kind of come down here, this is total. Total probably shouldn't actually be there.
This is
Can we get rid of?
Because it's only 2 output, 2 input. Oh, gosh, that's why I should have printed.
Okay. So what's the big ones? You can see opioid pain relievers, 10% make up 10% of the total.
I misunderstood the question. Like for example, if I print this, then okay.
You can see over here any opioids is 22%.
Yeah,
well, okay. The thing here is
so
that some of these are actually already percentages. Okay, so that's a little misleading. These rates here are percentages already.
Okay, so
here is a quick
between
a quick plot for the overdose deaths by year. When we come back to these seaborne probably Sunday evening. But now we're going to do that. Now we're going to do a plot. Now I'll just give you a little teaser. We're going to use a method outlined in this video over here. Okay. In this video over there.
That's why I have to test this. Okay.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
In order to pivot these columns, so you have one row for each column for each drug in each. Okay. And we'll be able to very quickly using the facet method, it's called in Seaborn, to create subplots for each one of these categories. We've got to pivot these categories along, but that's okay. So we got this here. This was a quick method of doing. You notice we go this jump through all these hoops here with loops and stuff. Those loops are going to go very probably Sunday evening. So be sure to click on that bell button to be notified when I go live Sunday evening and when I go live Monday through Thursday. Okay, so this is just all the plots all together here. What's this down here? See what this is. Now we've got to come over here. We're going to create subplots for each row. Now this one may not work. Let's see.
Function.
Just thinking. Okay, so this is the these are the deaths by year for each of the various drugs, the drug of choice. Okay, and you can see the picture is not good in the U.S. Everything is going up. Now this was just a quick plot to plot the total overdose deaths. That's going to show you got heroin on the right axis, total overdoses on the left axis, on the x-axis, and a hue of years. So you can see each one of these colors. What you can see here as there's a pretty good correlation between heroin and deaths. Okay. And that, my dear friends, is the end of this very stream. Again, I apologize for the videos. Last 2 videos on this U.S. drug overdose that will be fixed on Sunday evening. Okay. But again, there is a link. There are links in the description to this video for both the notebook on GitHub and for the data on our world on GitHub, also on GitHub. So go grab this notebook, take a look at it, see if you can learn something to it, and then you can see. But again, I will say that this is basically probably 4 to 5 hours work with chat AI, chatbot to get this finally to work. But nonetheless, then we're going to change this Sunday. Again, hey, thanks so much for your time, friends. I will see you